Hello, welcome to Tonic. In this one, what I'm going to do is show you how to loop a PowerPoint presentation continuously until you press escape. And the second thing I'm going to do is show you how to advance slides within a presentation automatically without you pressing the mouse button or the enter button on your keyboard. But before I continue, please like, subscribe and share. So I've got a PowerPoint presentation up here. This is one of the Microsoft tutorial ones about using the Speaker Coach AI setting to improve upon your public speaking skills. I'll do another video on that in a future video tutorial. In this one, I'm going to show you, number one, how to loop your presentation until you press escape. That's the first thing I'm going to do. So let's put this presentation into presentation view. So I'm going to click on slideshow view here. Because I've got dual screen running, let me just swap the screen so you've got what the audience sees. So at the moment, this is the first slide. This presentation has 4 slides, and after the 4th one, it should escape, which it does. So that at the moment is what it does. It goes from the first slide to the second slide to the 3rd slide to the 4th slide, 5th slide. It will show a black screen, but we want it to continuously loop until you press escape. This is what you do. At the top in the ribbon, go to slideshow here, then choose in the setup option here, go to setup slideshow. Click on that. A pop-up box should appear. Now in that pop-up box, underneath the show options section, choose loop continuously until the user presses escape. All you need to do is check that box there, then click on OK. Now let's test this again. Let's go back to slideshow view. Let me change my settings because of my dual screen here. So let's check this. This is slide 1, slide 2, and it's looping. It's looping. It's not escaping. It's not giving me a black screen or anything. It's looping. It'll only give me a black screen or go back to edit mode when I press escape. Now, what I'm going to do is take this a step further. What I want to happen with this presentation is I want each slide to advance on its own after a few seconds without any input from me, because I want this slideshow to be running in the background for its audience, whether it's a presentation evening, whether it's an open evening, whether it's a marketing and a sales event. I want it to be running on its own without me having to do any interactivity on it. So this is what I do. I'll highlight the first slide, which is fine. Then at the top in the ribbon, I'm going to choose transitions because I want it to transition from slide 1 to slide 2, from slide 2 to slide 3 and so on. So click on transition, and then on the right in the timings option, you can see 2 options. On mouse click, you want it to advance, fine, leave that as is. But also I want this to be checked as well after that. It will be showing like this as the default, but if you click on it, you can choose how long you want to keep that slide on for before it advances to the next slide. So I want each slide to be running for 5 seconds. And all I simply do as well is here in this timing section is click on apply to all. Now that setting has been applied to slide 2. You can see it's the same settings. Slide 3, slide 4 and slide 5. So each one is going to advance after 5 seconds. Brilliant. And it's not going to end the PowerPoint presentation until I press escape, because I checked that box right at the start, loop my presentation continuously until I press escape. Fantastic. Let's check this. So you can either click on the slideshow option here or click on F5 on your keyboard to go into slideshow view. I'm going to change the display settings like this. I'm going to wait 5 seconds to see what happens. There you go. It's changed slides. Another 5 seconds. There you go. Wait another 5 seconds. There you go. And it should go to the last slide for feedback summary, brilliant, then it should go back to the beginning. There you go. So that's going to continuously loop now until I press or somebody presses escape on the keyboard. So that was a very quick video showing you how to loop a presentation until you press escape, and secondly, how to advance slides for a number of seconds without any interactivity or input from you. Hope this video has helped you. Please like, subscribe and share.